Advantages of heavy equipment maintenance and inspection. Part 1. Having and enforcing a maintenance plan is crucial, as we mentioned in our blog post on heavy equipment maintenance best practices. We'll go through the advantages of appropriate heavy equipment maintenance and inspections in this piece. Early diagnosis of potential equipment problems is critical. Your operators ensure that the relevant components are in working order by conducting rigorous heavy equipment checks. Manufacturer-caused malfunctions are sometimes unavoidable, but conducting frequent inspections of heavy equipment is the best approach to spot potential problems. The following are some of the most critical components and systems to inspect. Fuel gauges and meters. Oil level, coolant level, tracks or tires. Battery. Use equipment maintenance software that allows your operators to electronically log checks. You will be able to keep track of your records and assign assignments for heavy equipment maintenance and repairs with ease. Inspections and maintenance of heavy machinery can help to prevent accidents. Risk management is sometimes forgotten when focusing on daily goals. However, complying with the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, is only one factor to consider when it comes to equipment maintenance and work zone safety. Employee safety is a top priority for every company. The manufacturing and construction industries are no exception. They are, after all, among the most hazardous sectors to work in. Not all operators operate in a completely safe manner. Isn't it shocking? That is why frequent heavy machinery inspections and maintenance are critical. You can greatly reduce the chances of a serious accident by doing routine equipment maintenance. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.